Have you ever felt that strange pull? The one that tells you a story isn't over. That late night chill when you're all alone, but the air feels occupied. Imagine the soft click-clack of keys in an empty room. A message appearing from nowhere, meant only for you. A shadow shifts in the corner of your eye. You try to ignore it, but a whisper cuts through the silence, demanding you see it through to the end. What would you do? They used to call me a prodigy. Now the words just won't come. My agents stopped calling. The awards gathered dust. And this old house feels as empty as my manuscript pages. But lately, at night, I hear it. Click dash clack dash click. The unmistakable sound of my old typewriter, tapping away in the study. But when I go to check, there's never anyone there. Just a blank page, waiting. What's trying to be written? If you want to find out, hit that subscribe button.